Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, now I want all of you to keep your audios muted. Okay, just answer the questions that I ask you. Yes? Uh, I don't know what Nishli ma'am has taken for you. I don't know what method she's followed. So I will follow my method. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We might have to begin from scratch. Yes?
Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Deepa. Andrea Binu is a new student, I guess.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I joined late.
You joined late. You were not there in second standard. I don't remember seeing you.
Ma'am, she is in second standard.
She was there? She was there?
Third standard and fourth standard.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yes, so let us begin. Now, some things I would like to mention before we start the class. I don't like you all unmuting and speaking all together during my class. Okay, if you anything you want to say, please raise your hand. I will give you a chance. If all of us speak together, we will not be able to hear each other. So I would request all of you to please, as soon as you join the class, mute your audio. Okay? And when you have to speak, unmute. When you want to wish, you can say good afternoon, mute it. Immediately mute your audio. Okay, so let's begin. What do you understand by accent? Now that you've had so many accent classes with Nishli ma'am, what do you understand by accent? Who can answer? Yes, Abigail.
Ma'am, accent is meaning correcting the pronunciation.
Very good. Okay, it's kind of correcting a pronunciation. Okay, so most of us, because we are in India and because we are in Kerala, we have a very Keralite accent to the way we speak. Yes, our English sounds more like Malayalam than English. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but we all want to sound like how the foreigners speak. We want to speak good English. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is an accent class training is an attempt to improve your pronunciation skills by improving our accent. Okay. Now, the very first and basic thing in accent class is, I would like to tell you, is recognizing sounds. Okay. What is it? What is it?
Recognizing sound.
Recognizing sounds. Okay.
Recognizing sounds.
Yes. So if you remember when we were studying in our kindergarten classes like LKG and UKG, what were we taught first?
Sound.
Alphabets. We were taught, yes, very good. We were taught alphabets and we were taught A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Yes? Okay. Now, what I want to tell you is something different from alphabets. Now, if we okay, you know that there are 26 alphabets. Yes? Alphabets are divided into two groups. Do you know which they are?
Vowel and consonants.
Vowels and consonants. So all this we know. We know there are 26 alphabets. We know there are vowels. We know there are consonants. But there is something more to this. There is something called vowel sounds and consonant sounds.
I know that.
Okay? Yes? Now, if I give you a word like this. Okay? If I give you a word like, what is this word?
Keep.
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 You know, K for kite, you know, E for something, P for pot. So this word is keep. Yes?
Yes.
What about this word?
No.
Okay. So here, if K gave you the sound keep, why doesn't K give you the sound knock here?
Because
Why is it knock?
Because the K is silent.
So how will you identify? Supposing you are given words like this, how will you identify where you have to pronounce the K, where the K is silent? How will you know? How will you know? I'll give you another example, okay? What is this?
Cut.
C-U-T, cut. Okay.
Cut.
What is this?
Put.
Okay, why? Then tell me, why is you having the sound here and why is you having the oo sound here? It's the same you. Have I changed the you?
No, ma'am, because
Put the same you.
Because
Put
it
you.
have sound. Ma'am, it's the first letter, different letter.
What is it? Yes. This, okay, fine. So this is what I was saying, that one alphabet, for example, if you take the alphabet A can give you different sounds. Okay. B can give you only one sound. C can give you different sounds. Yes? Yes or no? I'll give you an example. I'll give you an example so that you will understand. See, for example,
answer.
okay. Now please mute. For example, in the word cut, what is the sound of C? Yes? The word, okay. What is this word?
Circle.
What is the sound of C here? Sir. Yes. Now look at this word. What is the sound of C here? Sheen. Okay? So C is giving you three different sounds. It's giving you k, it's giving you sir, and it's giving you sh. So each alphabet can give you different sounds. Okay. So coming back to where we started, we said we have 26 alphabets. Okay. And alphabets are divided into vowels and consonants. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And now this is where we are going to start our class. Okay. Vowels, they are A, E, I, O, U, right?
Yes.
Five vowels, and the rest 21 are consonants. Okay.
Yes.
So I will be starting from here, where you understand that 26 alphabets have vowels and consonants. So we are going to start with what is called vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So vowels we have long and short. Okay. And consonants, we have quite a few types. Okay. So I will start with consonant sounds. Yes. Okay. Have you understood so far why we are studying sounds? Why are we studying sounds?
To read.
Yes. See, how do we, supposing you are given a passage and there are words where you are asked, there are new words in that passage. How will you identify the spelling of a word? Is it easy to identify?
No, ma'am.
No. Looking at a spelling, we cannot identify the pronunciation, right? For example, you have CUT cut, but you have PUT put. So looking at whether it is you, you cannot say whether the sound produced will be oo or the sound will be So it is always good to study sounds so that we can understand and identify what kind of pronunciation it is going to be. Again, we might not be perfect always, but we will try and correct it to the best extent. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more thing. One more thing. We will be following the British accent. Yes, there are different types of accent. You have British accent, you have American accent, and you have the German accent, you have the Irish accent, but we will be following the British accent. Clear? So can I begin with the consonant sounds?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I would suggest you all have a rough book or any notebook with you to write down.
Ma'am, should we take a notebook new?
If you have a notebook, well and good. Otherwise, you can write it in your rough book. But please make sure all the notes are together in one book. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to revise.
And we can have an accent for any notebook.
I would not compel you to have one, but if you have, it's good. It's not compulsory, but if you have an extra book, you can keep it for accent.
Ma'am, I have 2 extra books, but it is in my mom's hand. So when my mom came back, I will ask her that.
Sorry, Aradhya, I didn't understand.
She
Ma'am,
is
I have
telling she
extra
don't.
books.
Let her speak. Let her speak. Yes.
Ma'am,
I think her voice is breaking.
books, borderline.
Okay, Aradhya, it's okay. Whatever it is okay. For the time being, you write it in one book. Later on, you can copy it somewhere else. Okay. I guess that's what you're trying to say. Yes. So shall we start? Before that, how many of you all have a dictionary with you?
Ma'am, I have.
You all
I
have
have.
dictionaries?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
ma'am, I don't have.
anybody gone through a dictionary?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has
Yes, ma'am.
used a dictionary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
See, next time, in the evening, if you have a dictionary, please open the dictionary and you take one word, any word. Okay. Next to the word, before the meaning of the word is written, in brackets, you can write, you can see something written. Okay. For example, if the word is picture. If you're looking at the word picture, in brackets, you can see something like this written. Have you noticed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Notice? Yes. Okay. So this is called the International Phonetic Alphabet. What is it called? International Phonetic Alphabet. So if we learn the International Phonetic Alphabet, we can identify the pronunciation of the word. Okay. So as and by when we go, I can teach you these alphabets also. If you're interested, would you be interested in learning these alphabets also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will, once we finish these sounds, we can learn those symbols also so that you can identify the pronunciation of words. Yes. So coming back to our consonant sounds.
We need to write.
Yes, you can write it down. How many of you all have watched English movies or cartoons?
Ma'am.
Do you all watch Peppa Pig?
When I go to yes.
Watch Peppa Pig.
Yes, brother, we
Okay.
watch.
Have you noticed the way they speak English?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Doesn't it sound very nice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So in that, when next time, if you haven't noticed, when you watch those cartoons, you will understand that certain words, okay, for example, the word paper, okay, when we say the word paper, how would we say paper? Yes, but they say it differently, paper. So there is a stress on the word, on the alphabet P, right? It's paper, plate, picture, pot, pick it up. Yes? Have you all noticed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So there are words where we give a stress. There are alphabets where we give stress. Okay. So the first set of consonant sounds are called plosive sounds. What are they called? Plosive sounds. Now I'll tell you why they are called plosive, so you will understand. What have you heard the word explosion?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens when there is an explosion?
So much smoke.
A bomb explodes, right?
Yes.
What happens when a bomb explodes? There is a lot of pressure.
Smoke.
Yes.
Yes, smoke.
A lot of pressure is released at a particular time. So similarly, for certain alphabets, there is a sudden explosion of air. Okay. So if I keep my lips tightly closed and then suddenly I say the letter P, can you feel the air blowing out? P. Keep your hands and say P.
Ma'am, your video.
Can you feel the air being blown out suddenly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are alphabets where there is a sudden explosion of air after being blocked. And those letters are, okay, P, B, T, D, K, G. Okay, so P, B, T, D, K, G.
And I have wrote it down.
Have you all written it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, write it.
Yes, ma'am.
How to pronounce paper? Ma'am, Abdul is asking how do we pronounce paper?
Paper. You stress on the P, paper.
Please.
Can I stop sharing the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So P, B, T, D, K, G. Okay. Did you get these alphabets?
Ma'am, can you share
Can you
the
repeat?
board?
Can you repeat after me? P. Don't say P. P. Put stress on that alphabet. P. T. D. K. G. Okay. Now three things I want to correct. Okay. When we say the alphabet, T, that is T for table. Okay. Normally we say table. Yes. Table, toy, Tom. But please don't say it that way. You have to close your lips together. Can you see? Close your lips together like this and say T,
T,
T.
T, T,
Say T,
T,
T. So say Tom,
Tom,
Tom.
Tom,
No, don't say Tom. Don't say Tom.
Tom,
Tom.
Tom,
Tom.
Tom,
Yes. Okay. Similarly for D, desk,
desk,
door,
door,
dad,
dad,
Dave, Dave.
Dave,
Okay. So can you feel the difference between the normal Dave and Dave?
yes,
Yes. So next time, please make sure when you're reading words with P, B, T, D, K, G, you have to give stress on those alphabets. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's do a quick try. Can you take any of your textbooks? Any textbooks available with you?
Ma'am, I am in my hall.
Does anybody have a textbook?
Available with me. I have a textbook.
Yes. Abdel, which textbook is that?
EVS 2.
Open the first page. Open the first page.
I do not have a textbook available.
It's okay. Okay, I will write 2 sentences on the board for you.
Ma'am, should we write it?
No. This is for you to read. I'll give you 2 sentences.
You read that dress. She had a new red dress. It was given by her.
Okay, let's try. Amrin, can you read these 3 sentences?
Yes, ma'am. She had a new red dress.
Once again, can you repeat, please?
Yes, ma'am. She had a new red dress.
Okay.
It was given by her auntie. Can you please shut the door?
Can you please shut the door? Okay, good, not bad. Next, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. She had a new red dress. It was given by her aunt. Can you please shut the door?
Okay. Sheba Maria. You're not audible, Sheba.
Ma'am, she has
Yes.
some network issues.
Oh, okay, okay. Nia Maria, Nia Mary, can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
She had a new red dress.
Good.
It was given by her aunt. Can you please shut the door?
Very good. Dave?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
She had a new red dress.
Hmm.
It was given by her aunt.
Hmm.
Can you please shut the door?
Okay. Dan?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Hmm. Read.
She had a new red dress.
Hmm.
It was given by her aunt.
Hmm.
Can you please shut the door?
Okay, okay. It's not door, door.
Door.
D, d.
Door. Door.
No, d.
Door.
Close your lips and say d.
Door.
Okay, you need to correct your d a little more. Okay, now I'll tell you why I circled these three letters. Okay, when we read, we have, I am not, okay, one thing, I am not making fun of anybody, or I am not, what to say, intimidating you. Okay, these are common mistakes that we all make. Okay, we all make, because we are Keralites. There is a tendency for us to speak like we are speaking Malayalam. So we have to correct that first. Yes. Okay, so one common mistake that we do is, she had a new red dress. It's not a, it's a. What is it? This is a pen. No, this is a pen. This is a pen. Stress on the P. This is a pen. Okay? Mistake number one is this. Don't say a, it's a. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second mistake is this word. What is this word?
Was.
Ah, see? There I got two answers. Was and was. What is it?
Was.
Was.
War. It's o. The sound is o.
Was.
Okay? The sound is o. It's not was or it's not was. It's o. What is the sound?
Was.
Not was. Not was. Was. O. It should come from the back of your throat. O. O. Keep a finger here. Keep a finger here. You should feel the vibration here. O. Yes, it's O. Okay, don't worry. We will learn the sounds. Don't worry. We will learn the sounds. I'm just telling you some common mistakes that we make. Okay. So first one is, it's not a and it's a. This is a pen. This is a book. This is a table. This is a window, whatever. Okay. It's a and it's not a. Second one, it's not was, it's was. The same thing, the same mistake that we repeat for water. It is not water, it is water. Water. May I drink water? Yes. Another mistake that we make is aunt. I just circled because somebody said aunt. That is okay. Another mistake that we make is can one of you read this sentence? Kasina?
Can I know
Kasina?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
This is the book I was talking about.
Okay, very good. This is the book I was talking about. Another mistake that most will make is the. This is the book. No, this is the book. The. It's not the, it's the. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I will not confuse you with too many information on one day. Yes. So we started with consonant sounds today, and the first set of consonant sound is called plosive sounds. Plosive sounds. And which are the plosive sounds? Don't say no. Wait. Wait. 1 minute. Please do not say P, B, T, D, K, G. I am not teaching you alphabets. I am teaching you sounds. So forget your alphabets for the time being. Whatever I am repeating, repeat after that. P, P, T, K, G. So six plosive sounds. P, B, T, D, K, G. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we learned 6 plosive sounds today. When you come back for the next class, revise these sounds and give me one word each with these sounds. For example, if you write the sound P, write a word with the sound P. If you write the sound K, give me a word with the sound K. It need not be with the alphabet K. Even C can give you the sound K. Okay? So you have to give me a word with that sound, not the alphabet. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we shall meet again for the next class. Before that, let me just take your attendance. So please do not be absent for accent classes. Now, if you miss one class, it becomes a little difficult for you to follow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Abdel,
Present, ma'am.
Adish,
Present, ma'am.
Adi Shankar,
Present, ma'am.
Ahlam,
Present, ma'am.
Aiden,
Present, ma'am.
Ajwa, absent. Amran present, Anandita present, Andrea present, Anna Rose, absent.
ma'am.
Anna Rose is present? Okay,
Yes.
okay, yes.
Ma'am, I am present.
Aradhya,
Ma'am.
Aradhya present, Ardra,
Present, ma'am.
Aisha Mehrin, Azra, Benedict,
And Benedict is present.
Benedict present. Bhagya. Dan, can you please mute your audio? Bhagya is absent. Kasina present. Dan present. Dave present. Fatima Ifra. Absent. Ishan Rajiv absent. Jovial.
Present.
Okay. Meha present. Mohammed Isan present. Nia present. Nobin present. Kalbi present. Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ryan present. Okay, is it Ryan Harris or Ryan Yunus?
Rayhan Yunus is present.
Ryan Harris is present. What about Ryan Yunus?
Ma'am, Rayhan Yunus is present. Rayhan
Oh,
Harris
okay.
absent.
Harris is absent. Okay. Ronit,
Ma'am, Rahul is absent.
Ronit is present. Sarah,
Rahul was in the.
Sarah Anish, absent. Shaza,
Present, ma'am.
present. Sheba, present.
Present, ma'am.
Stenin, absent. Tejasri, absent. Tejasri Ajit, okay, present. Yes, yes, okay. Veda Varun, present. Zain,
Present, ma'am.
okay. So thank you, and I'll see you for the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.